Today we're talking new Cricut Design Space updates. So I'm on my computer, as you can see here, and we're going to talk about adjusting the size first. So when you take a shape or text, whatever it is, previously there would be a little lock and unlock button down here. Now they have changed it to only being up here. So go ahead and just select the unlock, then you can enter in the amount that you're wanting to put for this width, the height, whatever. Now down here you can go ahead and drag these out once you click the unlock button. If it's locked, it's going to keep them the same in proportion. But if you select this little unlock, it's going to let you kind of move it around a little bit, and that's really the difference. A lot of people are getting confused about this one. Next new feature is the text. So what's a little bit different is now it has this thing that they're calling wrap, which is super confusing. So when you adjust the sizing, you can see that it's automatically dragging down the text as fits, kind of, and it can be kind of annoying. I don't know, maybe it's helpful for some people, but for me, this is not something I would use. So as you can see, it kind of moves around. It does tell you to go up to alignment to remove that wrap feature, and that's what I have set on. It took me a while to figure out where the heck the alignment button even was, because I could not find it for the life of me. So it's up there to remove that little feature, but that is a cool little feature if you use that type of thing with the wrap text. I don't know, something new. I just feel like a lot happened at once and it's super confusing, and no one got a good warning. So hopefully that helps. Follow for more Cricut tips and tricks on TikTok and YouTube, and I will see you all in the next one. Happy crafting!